2024 is Thursday. What happened to euro today? I would say today, based on the analysis yesterday, the bulls, are in control. Expect as expected. I was expecting, the bottom for now. I said yesterday, right? This trend line here is a should be a major support. This one major support right here. This line here major support. I didn't show this line, but this right. I said resistance should be 5-day, 10-day moving averages. At the worst, 10-day moving averages. All right. I said now we got this trend line here. All right. This tapering. The whole thing is a tapering. Can you see it? It's triangle tapering. This formation, or you call it pattern, that means we're gonna have a breakout soon. We'll come back here later for it. Let's look at what happened today. Today we got about almost 50 pips range. If you go long, it should be a pretty good profit. If you go long, right, I said, pretty much bottom. It should be right here, right? This area should be bottom. It didn't retest the low, yesterday's low, so it took off from here. And also look at the 5-minute chart, right? My favorite strategy, the 5-minute on the right hand side, 5-minute, the 50 moving average always cross above 200, or 50 moving average cross below 200 moving average. So yes, today the 50 moving average crossed above 200 moving averages. So this is a great profit right here. Even though it didn't get all the way here, you should be able to pick up the profit from here to here. I would say at least 20 pips. That's about 20 pips. If you be patient, you could get almost all the way up. Wait till the U.S. market open. You get more profit per 30 to 40 pips, but 20 pips sort of guarantee for today's profit. But anyway, this totally based on our analysis. I said yesterday, it should be bottom, and this trend line should be a major support. If it break, if it go long here, the cut loss is close. So risk reward is very good. Risk reward for today's trading. Okay, so very simple. First of all, you need to identify support resistance. Second, you need to identify pattern. Right? I think some kind of formation. I said, we have a pattern here, right? Yesterday. Also, I think I said something like this yesterday. I didn't look at it, but anyway, I said, see this pattern here looks like a triangle pattern. It's gonna have a breakout, either break down or break up. So the market decided to break up. Okay, there's another signal to go long, and then you still have one more chance. And when it retests almost the low of today, if they have followed through, it just took off from that point on. So that's a good sign. Remember, always look for a pattern, and when there's a pattern, you have to look for a breakout. Then it will create a new pattern. Okay, so what's gonna happen tomorrow? Let's see. Tomorrow, now look at the euro now. Today we form a triangle wedge. Okay, now it retested this trend line, rejected. Okay, you got rejection on this trend line, and 10-day moving average close below 5-day even. So most likely, tomorrow's Friday, we might have a more chance. Wait for either probably within this inside bar. That's why I said probably another inside bar trading until we have a breakout next week or tomorrow. That's most likely, I think, to next week. I think we still have a couple more bar to finish the tapering. The triangle pennant right here, this triangle pennant looks like tapering to me. So be patient. It might not have a breakout tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay. But again, look at the weekly chart for the tomorrow. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 weekly down bar, and this week so far is a green bar. So that means up. You want to stay up, that means it has to stay within this candlestick bar inside trading for tomorrow. And always for bigger trend, it's always start from the smaller time frames. So for the 15-minute time frame, look at it. It's about 200 moving average. Let's look at 60-minute. It's still below 200. Now it's fighting. I would say, tomorrow should be an inside bar. Wait for a breakout. Okay. Look at even smaller time frame, the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. So most likely tomorrow we're gonna have an inside bar. The worst, it should hit here, major support again. This should be a major support. Should hit here. The worst scenario. Okay. And the best for the breakout will be trading above 5-day and 10-day moving average here. Okay, let's see which way it will go. So always buy low, sell high. And also there could be another major resistance right here. This is a 1.074, should be a good one too. Okay, let's dollar index. Look at dollar index. Remember this trend line here, the top of the trend line has been there for many months. Okay, this is a big triangle. Again, huge triangle. So most likely dollar index, you should retest this trend line to find out this is a rejection or not tomorrow. If we got rejected, then it will roll down. It will roll down. We get rejection. Otherwise, we have a breakout. So in my opinion, I don't think it should have a breakout tomorrow. We'll see. Don't know yet. But most likely it shouldn't happen. If it happens, you have to realize it. You have to, identify it. Okay. For now, this is for dollar index. Let's see this. Yeah, looks like a tapering, right? Look at it, the channel tapering, and then hit this one. Every time when you identify a pattern, that means you're sure it's almost the end of the pattern. You should have a new formation coming out of it. Either we're gonna have a new one going up, create another upward channel, wherever tapering, or just roll back down, okay, to create a downward channel. So we will see for the dollar index which way it will go. And look at the euro here. Look at euro here again. Right, we have a triangle wedge. This is tapering. There is a inside bar trading today. Most likely tomorrow should be inside bar trading, or even test a little bit lower. We got support, and this line, support. We got 3 major levels support below. The worst case should be right here, this trend line, the blue trend line should be support. And if there's a breakout, it should trade close about 5 and 10-day moving average, and the resistance should be this one. Resistance should be this one, resistance, and this one too. this is a major resistance, 1.074 or 1.075. Okay, worst case is resistance is 1.076 20-day moving average. That's I can see. So for now, be patient. Always buy low, sell high. Wait till the market give us the clue. Don't jump into the trade so quickly. The market always either retrace or pull back deep, or bounce, or goes up continuously. So wait till US market open, or before that, look for high and low. I think this is a good strategy. For now, right now it's right in the middle. I have no clue which way it will go. Okay. And look at 60-minute here. Look at the 60-minute. Look at 60-minute. Now 60-minute, I see a pattern too. Let's see. Yeah, see. Yeah. Look at this one here. We see a pattern. So wait for now it's forming a. It's not bull flag. It's not. More like a. Now it's create a channel, downward channel, pull back here. It might going and then retest this one overnight or a little bit higher. So anything above 200 moving average should be bullish. Okay, cautious. I will rather wait for a pullback and go for a long entry. Okay, it should be very simple. Today, I would say it's pretty given. Today's profit is given. Pretty simple today. Hopefully tomorrow will be straightforward. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.